how to print alphabet right angle triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. You can see here in this pattern, along with every alphabet, a space character is appended. The number of alphabets are gradually decreasing line by line from 5 to 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So let's see code to execute this pattern. We have already written code to print number triangle pattern. Run this file in the terminal. In this code, modify this print statement to print alphabet triangle pattern character starting from 64 plus 1 plus I plus j. Save the file, run the file in the terminal py triangle.py. This is our expected triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of alphabet right angle triangle pattern.